just want to share this beautiful box my friend gave me, and I thought I would. Hi, Carol, if you're watching. This is what I done with it. I put all my blingy bits and pieces. So these are what I use to make fancy keychains with. And you might be thinking, what the hell are fancy keychains? Well, these are fancy keychains. So, these beads. So, and these are, I mean, you could use them for jewelry pieces, I suppose. But they're mainly for that. Aren't they cute? Look, little mushrooms. I've got pink ones, but I've got them in a pink bead mix because I thought they'd go really good in a pink bead mix. But how cute are these? Angel wings, there's squares, there's these, and then these flower ones, little charms, sugar cubes, and then this is the piece of resistances, one might say. These are the little charms, the fancy charms. See the holes that go through them? How gorgeous are these? There's just so many. I really like this one. There's like heaps and heaps. Aren't they cute? Little bunny. There's a swan. So, perfume bottles. So yeah, this is to make your own fancy keychains. One of the things came out and I replaced it. That's as close as I could find there. The orange colour. There's a little gothic one. These ones. I just love looking at them. Yeah. One little fancy beads. Where's... Oh, I like that one. Isn't that cute? Where's the HQ? Oh, that's cute. Oh, look at this one. Bunny? Another bunny. That one, isn't that pretty? Spider. This one, real small. This one is really flashy too. Trying to find the HQ one. These are so pretty. I got these recently from Fantas Shop. All these little ones. Come on, where are you? Oh. There we go. Aren't they cute? Oh. Yeah. There's so many beautiful things.